Hi class and welcome back to our classroom. Ako po si Madam Salinan. Isa po akong teacher na naka-base dito sa Philippines. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano tayo makakagawa ng isometric drawing. Dito, pag-uusapan natin yung mga simple methods na ginamit natin at yung mga materials or mga tools na pwede natin magamit to create the simple drawing. So get your materials and let's begin. Okay, so sa gagawin natin ngayon, gagamit tayo or gagawa tayo ng isometric drawing. Okay, so ang kailangan natin dito ay of course pen, pencil, kung anong available. Then we have to have our ruler and our protractor. Itong protractor gagamitin natin for angle, ito naman for straight line. Okay, so later gagamitin natin yan. So first note natin na isometric yung gagawin natin. Tandaan natin ng isometric drawing is used to create a three-dimensional drawing on a two-dimensional paper. So, nagdo-drawing tayo ng two-dimensional pero magmumukha siyang 3D. Okay? So, tandaan natin na ito ay using 30-degree angle. So, commonly ginagamit siya for technical drawing. Okay? Na nagpapakita ng 30 degrees. So, gagawa muna tayo dito ng ating lines kung saan umpisa natin ang paggawa ng isometric drawing. Okay? And sa isometric drawing, meron tayong tatlong sides na nakikita. So, we have to see the top view, the side view, and the front view. Ito ang mga usual na tinitingnan sa isometric drawing. O, ito yung nakikita sa isometric drawing. So, first, kailangan natin makagawa ng lines dito. Usually sa school, ginagamit natin ito or ginagawa natin yung mga performance tasks nila in collaboration with mathematics. Kung saan, we ask the students to create lines in X and Y axis. So, ginagawa nila, meron tayong mga intercepts na gumagamit ng X and Y axis. Pero sa isometric drawing, sa gagawin natin ngayon, we're going to go directly to drawing isometric drawing. So, walang mathematics involved dito. Sinabi ko lang na, ito-collaborate namin para sa mga bata, hindi maraming masyadong gagawin. Kung baga, isang gawa, maraming subjects yung pwedeng pag-applyan ng output nila na yun. With this, kailangan po natin gumawa ng lines dito dahil sabi natin kanina, yung isometric drawing ay gumagamit ng 30-degree angle. So, para mas maganda yung drawing natin, we have to create a line here forming a right angle or a 90-degree angle. So, mag-line muna tayo. Drawing muna tayo ng straight line. Lagay natin sa pinaka... Yan. Gamitin natin yung bottom part ng papel para straight line yung magawa natin. So, not too long, pero... Reference nyo naman po kung gaano kahaba yung lines niyo. And with this, gagamitin natin yung center ng line. Okay? And we have to create a 90-degree angle. So, kukunin natin yung gitna ng line na ginawa natin. So, we have 9.5. So, that would give us 4. Estimate, sige, 4.7 here. So, this will be our origin number. Gawa tayo ng 90 degree. Tandaan natin kung saan nagmi-meet yung X and Y axis natin, yun yung ating point of origin or yung zero natin. So, pag gumamit tayo ng protractor, meron tayong zero dito or yung kung saan nagmi-meet yung lines ng X and Y. So, tapat lang natin siya dyan to get our 90 degree. Okay, so make sure nakaline siya and we are going to get this 90. Okay, so we have there. And then let's have a line there. Yan. Okay? So, dito, lalabas na ito yung ating Y line or Y-axis and we have our X-axis here. X-axis. Okay? So, dito, mag-drawing tayo ng tapat natin yan. Mag-drawing tayo or kukunin natin yung 30 degree nito. So, meaning, lagyan natin sa 0 ulit yung protractor natin. Close up. And then, 0, alam natin na 90 degree. Kukunin natin yung 30 degree natin. So, hanapin natin yung 30 degree dito sa atin. So, here's the 30 degree. Make sure, nandyan. And we have the 30 degree on the other side. So, ayan yung drawing natin. Okay? So, as much as possible, hindi gumagalaw yung paper natin para at least alam natin na eksakto yung sukat or walang change of placement for our measurement. So, kamay na lang yung gagalaw natin. So, here we have our angle. So, ito yung construction from 0 going to the point of 30 degree and the same on the other side. Okay? And on the same on the other side. Okay? So, we have here our line. So, if we are going to measure this, alam natin na this is 30 degree and this one is 60 degree. Kasi 90 degree nga yung ginagawa natin. So, this is 60 degree. So, if we're going to measure that, 60. Okay? We have the 60 degree as well. Okay? So, the same with the other side. Now, let's continue. So, gagawa naman tayo ng nasa taas na view. So, determine na lang natin yung height ng ating isometric drawing. So, for example, sa x-axis natin, ang ating intercept ay nasa probably there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. 4 inches. Yan, yung taas. Okay? From there, we are going to make sure to have yan, another line here. Let's have a straight line here. Sa iba naman, hindi importante yung straight line. Pero for the sake of this, since pinag-aaralan natin siya, so kailangan pantay siya, no? Pantayin natin. Let's make sure as much as possible we are creating a straight line. Okay? Sana pantay. So, let's create a line here. With that, we are going to create another of this. Okay? So, this one. Okay, so we have this line. Okay, and then for the top, we are going to create another line here. Let's make sure to use the top part of our paper para hindi na tayo mahirapan to create a straight line. Okay, and with that, we are just going to rotate our protractor here and get the 30 degree again of our line. Okay. let's try this. Okay, so we have here our 30 degree, and on the other side we have our 30 degree. Okay, so with that, let's try to meet the point here to our 30 degree. Okay, so we have here our diamond here for our isometric drawing. Now with this, we have, or we can now connect this one, this vertical line here from this to down. Okay, so we can have it just eyeball on it. Pwede naman, no? Or we, so a line before 2 inches. So it's 1.8, I guess. So, yeah. Yan. So let's have them meet together. There we go. So basically, we now have the basic drawing for isometric drawing. So we have the top, we have the front, and we have the side view. Okay, or depende kung saan ka nakarap. Pwedeng ito yung side, ito yung front. Okay, so for this particular drawing, let's just darken the line for isometric drawing. Okay. So kung ginagawa namin to sa school, usually pencil yung pinapagamit natin. Okay, so dahil class output yon, so I allow them to use just a Mongol number 2 or a pen that can have a good mark or shade para pag nagawa sila ng mga shapes nila. Okay, hindi masyadong light, hindi masyadong dark. So there you go. So we have here our simple isometric drawing. Simple or for the beginner. So kung pwede po kayong mag-share ng pwede natin itong mas magawa in a very easy way, you can write it on our comment section para ma-share natin sa lahat ng klase. But for the meantime, this is our isometric drawing. The end, let me show you some of the examples ng isometric drawings just like this one. Ayan, makikita natin my top, front, and side. Another one example. All of these are available online. So, pwede nyo siyang makita for other more examples. And for some, ito yung medyo advanced na. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video natin ngayon, pakiclick na lang ang like button at i-share na rin para marami pang maabot ang ating klase. I-click nyo na din ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa susunod pa nating klase. Thank you very much and always remember to be kind to one another. God bless.
I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love.